lights, camera, action, and curses? The glitz and glamour of Bollywood often hide tales far darker than we imagine. From mysterious deaths to eerie supernatural occurrences, some movie sets in India seem to carry more than just the weight of cinematic dreams. Today, we dive into the top 10 cursed Indian movie sets. Let's uncover the secrets and strange events that haunt Bollywood. Number 10. The mysterious death of Divya Bharti. At just 19, Divya Bharti's life was cut short under mysterious circumstances. Falling from her apartment window in 1993, her untimely death sparked countless theories. Was it an accident, suicide, or something more sinister? Some speculate a curse linked to her roles in supernatural films, while others point to darker conspiracies. Number 9. The Curse of Chup Chup Ke. While Chup Chup Ke is remembered as a light-hearted comedy, the cast and crew whispered of strange occurrences during filming. Equipment failures, accidents, and unexplained illnesses plagued the production, leading many to wonder if the film was cursed.
धोबी के कुत्ते से भी बेहाल और ऊपर से कंधे पे ये बैताल और दोनों हम टोटली कंगाल.
Number 8. The Ghost of Rat, 1992. Director Ram Gopal Varma's cult classic horror Rat wasn't just scary on screen. Crew members reported seeing shadowy figures and hearing whispers late at night. Was the set haunted, or was it the film's chilling subject matter that brought something dark to life? Number 7. The Haunted Set of Bhoot. Staying true to its name, Bhoot, 2003, came with its fair share of spooky tales. During filming, cast members complained about eerie sensations, unexplained cold spots, and strange noises on the set, giving them real-life chills to match the film's theme. Number 6. The Curse of Shri. 420. One of Bollywood's golden classics, Shri 420, carried a shadowy burden. A string of mysterious accidents and deaths among crew members led to whispers of a curse, leaving behind an unsettling legacy for the Suraj Kapoor masterpiece. Number 5. The Haunted Mahals of Bollywood. Many Bollywood films use ancient palaces for their grandeur, but these mahals come with their share of haunted tales. From eerie footsteps to sudden temperature drops, stories of haunted mahals are an open secret in the industry. Number 4. The cursed movie prop from Om Shanti Om. A cursed prop? Yes, you heard that right. Several actors on the set of Om Shanti Om claimed an object brought them bad luck. From minor injuries to major production delays, this mysterious item caused chaos, leaving many spooked. Number 3. The Curse of Jani Dushman. Both versions of Jani Dushman were plagued by tragedy and controversy. The 2002 film, in particular, became infamous for its massive flop and disturbing rumors surrounding the cast. Accidents and misfortunes seemed to follow its production. Number 2. The 3 a.m. call from Bhool Bhulaiya. During the filming of the supernatural hit, actors reported receiving mysterious phone calls at precisely 3 a.m. The calls were silent but chilling, adding a real-life layer of horror to this psychological thriller.
तेरा गला काट के तेरा खून पीना है। तेरे मुर्दे पे मुझे ताने हैं।
Number 1. The phantom presence on the Raz sets. The Raz sets were a hotbed of unexplained activity. Crew members reported feeling a phantom presence and hearing whispers when no one else was around. The eerie atmosphere became so unsettling that some refused to work after dark. Bollywood might be a dream factory, but sometimes the dreams turn into nightmares. Whether you believe in curses or not, these tales remain etched in the dark history of Indian cinema. Do you know of any other cursed movie sets? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spine-chilling stories. Until next time, stay safe and beware of the shadows.